Today I'm going to be cleaning up these saddlebags off of my 2007 Yamaha V-Star 1300, and I'm going to put oil on them because it looks like they're starting to stretch, starting to shrink and pull apart the seams here a little bit. Hopefully I can restore it, so I'm going to wash them off first, let them dry, and then oil them up. Now that both of these have been laying out here for a while, should have had time to dry off. It's still a little wet there. Guess it's not entirely dry. I'm gonna let that one dry for a little bit, and I'm going to lather this one up and see how it comes out. Basically all I did here was I took some of this leather seal, Outback survival gear. Where did I get this from? I got this from a show. But anyways, I basically just took some of this out, scooped it out, rubbed it all over the leather. I'm just gonna let it soak in, and then I'm gonna, after it's been sitting for a while, I'm gonna rub it into it with this cloth and see what happens. Here's the saddlebag that I oiled. Still see there's some white spots on there. I must have got paint on it at one point in time. And this is the one that I've not done yet. Well, I got both the saddlebags back on the bike. Lighting isn't the best in here. We'll see in the morning how they look. I ended up putting some more conditioner on here because after sitting out in the sun today for 4 hours, they started to dry out again. So I'm going to let this soak in and then come back and wipe all of it off. Well, after I treated the bags the last time, from sitting out in the sun, it's starting to fade here again, so it's probably going to need another treatment. Besides, about the same, not as bad. There's a spot right there. It seems to be decent. Well, that'll do it for using this leather seal on my saddlebags of my 2007 Yamaha V-Star 1300. It seemed to work okay, but the longer they're out in the sunlight, they're drying out again. I'll probably end up trying something else to see how that works, but in a pinch, this works. If you're gonna do it, I wouldn't recommend leaving the bike out in the sunlight all day long. But yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.